So this is the inferior surface, superior, right? So this is Sif's brain. Frontal lobe, parietal lobe, occipital lobe, temporal lobe. If you dissect later on, you can say insula also. Okay, insula found in the below the temporal lobe, right? Insula, and this one superior, and this is this one is called cerebellum, longitudinal fissure, transverse fissure. Okay, and in the inferior surface you have a pituitary gland is here. This is the pituitary gland right here. Pituitary gland. This is the olfactory nerve. Olfactory nerve. This is an optic nerve. Optic chiasm. When the nerve crisscross, this is called optic chiasm, and it becomes optic tract. It goes inside the brain. This olfactory nerve and optic nerve directly coming from brain actually. Okay, and other nerves are coming from brain stem. So you have here these two nerves. See this one, and this one. This is called, this one is oculomotor nerve. Okay, the pituitary gland, when you this one is cerebellum. Okay, cerebellum, and the spinal cord already dissected here. Okay, the pons, pons and medulla. Okay, pons and medulla. And brain stem is here. The top is brain stem. Also, when I dissect, already dissected it. So this is a frontal lobe, parietal lobe, occipital lobe, and this one is a cerebellum, right? Cerebellum, arbor vitae. Okay, arbor vitae. These are the pons right here. Medulla dissected already. So I want to show you some structure inside the brain. See, this is structure, right? Above this structure, what is this one? Corpus callosum, okay? This is a corpus callosum, see right here. Above this space, corpus callosum, which connects right and left hemisphere of the brain, okay? This one is called pineal gland, see right here? Pineal gland, okay? Pineal gland is here. Now, below lateral ventricle, this is the space, is lateral ventricle, both sides of the brain. Below lateral ventricle, this area, see right here? Do you see the space, right? The space, see? This space is called third ventricle. And this structure, see this structure, can you see this structure right here? Like capillary, it's called choroid plexus. This capillary secretes cerebrospinal fluid, this one, okay? They are found in the lateral ventricle and as well as in the third ventricle. And third ventricle continue here, okay? Third ventricle continue, and this is a cerebral aqueduct, okay? It's called cerebral aqueduct. When the cerebrospinal, this is a cerebral aqueduct right here, and when the cerebrospinal fluid enters this area, this is called fourth ventricle. Okay, this area right here, fourth ventricle. Okay, fourth ventricle, lateral ventricle, third ventricle, fourth ventricle. Okay, the fourth ventricle is here, right here. Fourth ventricle. A cerebral aqueduct is this one. The fluid, the cerebrospinal fluid, coming from third ventricle to the fourth ventricle. Okay, and this area is called third ventricle. Inside third ventricle, you will see thalamus. Okay, thalamus. This is a thalamus. Relay station. Below thalamus, this area will be hypothalamus. Okay, hypothalamus, and what else you have to see? So here, I can show you something special. See right here. This area right here, okay? This area right here. You have corpora quadrigemini here, okay? corpora quadrigemina. See right here. This one is superior caliculi, right? There are two of them. And in this bottom one, see these two structure, bump, this is inferior caliculi. Collectively, this structure is called corpora quadrigemina. The superior caliculi is for vision reflex, inferior caliculi is for auditory reflex. Okay, and this one is called cerebellum, and this entire structure is called cerebrum. Okay, so these are the structures they're going to ask you during exam. So you have to memorize all this structure. You dissect now. You have a specimen given. You dissect, and if you have any question, you can talk to me. Thank you.